Looking for a power supply that can keep up with your compact Mini-ITX build without sacrificing performance? The Cooler Master vs SFX Gold 850W PSU is designed exactly for that. It's the first of its kind to offer a powerful 850-watt output in the small SFX form factor, all while maintaining an 80+ gold efficiency rating. That means you get more power with less wasted energy, cooler operation, and quieter performance, everything a high-end system demands, packed into a space-saving design. When I put together my own ITX build, I struggled to find a PSU that could handle my i7-12700 CPU and RTX 3080 Ti without running hot or forcing me to compromise on cable management. The vs SFX Gold changed that. Its full modular cabling lets you connect only what you need, reducing clutter and improving airflow inside the case. Plus, the 16 Aruban Florins PCIe cables are thicker than standard ones, which means they carry higher currents more efficiently and stay cooler under load. The 92mm fluid dynamic bearing fan runs quietly, and the 100% Japanese capacitors ensure stable power delivery and long-term reliability. It even comes with an SFX-to-ATX bracket, so it fits a wide range of cases, from Mini-ITX all the way up to E-ATX setups. If you're building a compact gaming rig or a powerful workstation, the Cooler Master vs SFX Gold 850W PSU is worth a look. It delivers what you need: stable, efficient power in a sleek, modular package designed for tight spaces. Whether you're upgrading or starting fresh, this PSU gives you the confidence to push your system without worry. Try it when you're ready to experience clean cables, cooler temps, and solid performance in your next build.